editing your brand kit. Your brand kit is available here on your left-hand navigation. By clicking on it, you'll arrive at this particular dashboard. You have a number of different color palettes. You have your primary one. By clicking here, you can rename it, calling it whatever you want. These are my primary brand colors that I use. To add one, I just click on here. It'll randomly pick a color. You can then type your hexadecimal color code in here. So if I was to type 957FC3, this would be this shade of purple. And then, you can adjust it if you're looking for colors, and then add another one in. Again, it's picked it at random. You can delete them by clicking on the little X. But you want to add all your specific hexadecimal color codes in here first so that they appear when you create designs here. Your primary color palette up the top here will be the recently used colors that you've used within these set of designs, and then as you scroll down there will be your other created color palettes. So coming back here, as we can see here, Christie is one that I've created. You might have a specific set of colors that you use for maybe spring promotions or something else within your business that is separate from your main color palette, and you can name them here. As we have up the top, we have fonts, customized fonts. These are fonts that we use regularly for our brand. Here, if we want to set a standardized heading font for our templates, subheadings, and body text, that can all happen here. You just search for the name of the font that you want, the size that you want to set it at, etc. And then we have our custom fonts uploading here. Upload a new font, and you can check out the video on how to do that. And then scrolling down, we can upload specific logos for our brand or images, and these can be done here. You just find your logo. So for instance, documents, logos. Here is a logo here for a client of mine. I can add their transparent logo there. Not sure why I have all these other images randomly in here, but if I want to delete any of them, I can just click on the little X and it deletes them instantly for me. To find those logo images, when you go in to create a design, on the side here you'll have folders, and your logos will be at the top here, and those images can be located here. So there's the last one that I added in. I might want to pop that, in the right-hand corner there, something like that. So that's your brand kit and how to create it.